The first machine under Garri processing is a cassava peeling and washing machine.
Peeling and washing.
Yes.
Wow.
This is a vertical peeling and washing machine. So as this is now, it has the capacity to peel 4 tons of cassava tubers per day.
Wow.
Yes.
So what is the component here or a part of this machine that will ensure that the cassava that we put in here, we don't have too much loss of cassava with the peel during the peeling process?
Yes. What we have inside this is the rasper in drum. The most common type that people actually fabricate is the concrete type in drum, but we discontinued that. We also do that before. So as it is, with the design that we have here, with close monitoring, the equipment ensures that the loss of flesh in the cassava is minimal.
What does this do?
These are the bumpers that helps in turning the cassava tuber so that each side will be peeled properly.
Inside will be peeled properly. So what's the next in sequence of production?
After peeling and dressing the cassava tubers into clean tubers, the next
grinder
one is the grinder. Some people call it grinder, but we like to call it grater.
Grater. Wow. That looks more civilized.
Yes, so we like to call it grater.
Tush and steez.
So our graters are made with stainless steel, thick stainless steel material.
Yeah.
So
I hope this doesn't rust.
It doesn't, but with time it will become dull, so there is need to change it.
There should be need to change it. It's the way I'm looking at it, I feel
it doesn't rust, but it does.
How many years guarantee will you say?
Well, it depends. We give up to a year warranty on the fabricated machine.
Is it engines? No, on machine, not the engines.
Yes. Okay. So after grating, the next in line is the presser. This is our manual presser.
Where is the
jack? The jack, it comes with a 32 tons jack, which is on here. So and if the client don't want a manual presser, you can also go for an automatic presser.
Something like this,
specifically designed for Garri.
And it will look like this with the machine beside it.
Yes.
I just want you to know that this is for the oil palm that I just showed earlier, so we can actually fabricate something like this for you for the Garri. So what's the next in sequence of production? I feel it should be,
so after pressing, it will become a cake, right?
Oh yeah.
So the next stage is frying, but you can't fry a cake, so you have to pulverize the cake before you now fry it. So by pulverizing, I mean, you decompose it. So you can use the grater again. You pour in the cake into the grater and then it pulverizes it for you.
Is it after it has in dry form that you will use it?
After pressing. Immediately after pressing, you remove the sack. Then the cake.
Would there not be a need for a dryer before you put it? Or not everyone will do for somebody who is starting a small scale business, they can't be spreading it in the sun. I feel a dryer should be needed before they now put it in back again.
Well, for Garri processing, there may not be need for dryer. After pressing, the next stage is frying. After pressing, the next stage is frying.
Do you feel 100% that for a small scale business that wants fast production, they don't need a dryer?
No, there's no need.
Wow.
The only way they will need a dryer is if their presser is not working fine.
Their presser is not working fine. Yes. So what's the next in the order of production?
So after pulverizing, then you fry the Garri. We have different kind of fryers. We have the manual fryer, which are also known as the communal fryers, and then we have the automatic fryer for Garri.
Do we have them here?
Yes, we have them.
Please,
over here we have the manual fryer. We call this 8x4.
8x4. This is 8. This is 4.
Yes.
Okay.
So we also fabricate the 4x4, which is half of this.
Half of this. Okay.
So the automatic fryer, we have the automatic fryer here.
For a small scale business, I think you should get something like this.
Yes, for the 4x8, I think 2 persons can work on it.
Yes. So this is the
automatic fryer.
This is the automatic fryer. I think with what I'm seeing here, this will be faster
Yes.
with less human effort.
Yes.
So if you don't want human efforts in your Garri processing, I feel this is something you should get. So that is just it. Is this so? From here they go into bagging.
No.
They can
From
bag.
frying, after frying, in order for you to have a consistent quality of garri, so that you won't have much granules in one sack and less granules in the other, you have to sieve the garri.
That is it.
So we have sifters.
That is
We have different designs of sifters. So over here we have three different sifters.
3 different sifters.
Yeah, they all do.
I love this. I think I love this. I love this most because of the mouth.
Okay.
This and this.
Okay.
So what is the difference between these three that we have here? Let's start with
this one that we have over here, we call it the vibro sifter. Yes, you pour in your garri in here, then the sifted garri will come out through these outlets, and the granules, which are the cocoa garri, will come out through these outlets automatically. So but in that process, you might be also getting the real garri here, since there's nothing that is stopping it from flowing down here. So for this other type, we call it the eccentric sifter. For the eccentric sifter, you pour in your garri here, and then the real garri will be coming out through this side, and the granules, the cocoa garri, will be trapped in this chamber. So you have to remove them manually. So for this other one too, we also call this one the vibro sifter. It can use both electric motor and petrol engine. So for this, once you pour in the garri, the real garri will be coming out through this side, and then there's an opening for the cocoa garri. Yes, so this one removes the manual labor of removing the granules manually. So it comes.
This one you remove the granules manually.
No, the granules come out on itself.
Okay, on itself.
Yes.
So what's the power capacity for this?
Both three, all the three can do more than 500 kg in an hour.
I'm also talking about, apart from that, what can be used to power them? Electric or
for this type,
fire?
For this type, it can use both electric motor or petrol engine. This type too can use electric motor or petrol engine. These two can use electric motor or petrol engine. Yes.
So from here, we are putting it in a clean bag.
From here, we are bagging. Is bagging.
Bagging straight.
Yes.
After bagging, straight to the market, straight to the supermarket, straight to wherever you want to have them.